Welcome back to Cooking Craves. In today's video, I'm going to make some easy banana snacks. Perfect for your tea time. Take 3 ripe bananas and mash them well. Then add in 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix well until all the sugar dissolves. Next, add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract to add an extra flavor. Then sift in 5 tablespoons of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then mix well until fully combined. Finally, add in 1 tablespoon of water and give a good mix. Now heat some oil over a medium heat. When the oil is hot enough, using your fingers, add around half a tablespoon of the batter. Let them fry for a few seconds. Then turn them and fry the other side too, till they turn a lovely golden brown. Don't take too little oil, or your banana bombs would be very flat. Use at least 1 to 1.5 cup oil in a small frying pan to get beautiful balls. That's it. Our quick and easy banana bombs are ready. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.